Hi folks, welcome back. So today we will be seeing the advanced element pickup feature in Fable. So in cases where we want to modify the selected element or apply a finishing touch to a selected element's highlighting, you will use this advanced element picker to achieve that. So over here, we can, apply a better selected element. Maybe, so this is where our advanced element picker is. So this is what all we can do, but for now, I think this looks best, right? So this is how we use our advanced element picker. Thank you, folks. Please stay tuned for further videos.